My name is Eric Weaver. I'm the CEO of Transparent Path, a Seattle-based social purpose corporation. Our social purpose is to reduce food waste by creating a more agile, more certain, and more resilient supply chain for food. Here in the US, we waste $220 billion of food products annually. So we are growing food that goes straight into the landfill. 70 to 75% of all food waste actually occurs before it gets to the grocery store. So take the food industry, which is still operating with faxes, phone calls, emails. It's straight out of 1985. I didn't even know you could buy a fax machine, and basically create a sensor, an IoT powered sensor network that would track food's origins, provenance, and conditions, environmental conditions as the food is en route. Imagine that sensors are placed onto food products when they leave a food producer. That could be a grower, that could be a food manufacturing plant, etc. There's a gateway at some point in the near future, hopefully a 5G gateway that's connected to the cloud that is gathering from these sensors in the container regular data about temperature, humidity, light, tilt, shock, air pressure, etc., transmitting that to the cloud. That's what we have built, is that interconnection between those sensors and the cloud. We can apply predictive and prescriptive analytics, AI, to basically read through this data once we have it and make predictions about, you're going to have weather issues in Kansas, which are going to cause a sourcing problem. You're going to have labor shortages in Washington State, meaning that you're going to have to pay more for pickers, or you're not going to be able to find the labor to get product to market. We're talking a lot of money here that can be saved, and especially during COVID economy, when we've got so many farmers struggling, food companies struggling because food service is off the rails right now, this can help save their bottom line.